here like we have Oku the integration. Okay, so in Dubai for I think for selling or something we have units, right? Like the domain is real estate, so we need
Yeah.
to register our units with the Dubai government. Okay, Dubai government have like a website called Okuth, and for that Okuth, like we need to register our units for I don't know for like what purpose. I think it's for transferring or for selling something. We need to register. So right now in Dubai, what like in Aldar, it is happening manually. So a user will go to the website and will get the details as an Excel sheet. Like they will export the details in Excel, and they will do it manually one by one. But now we are going to automate that by using the API. Okay, Okuda have provided a list of API, and we will hit the API. We need to uh, do the Okuda registration by using API without any user interpretation or user's help. We need to do it manually and not manually automated manner. Okay, so here they have provided a list of APIs. So actually we didn't start at the development. We need to start the architecture wise. We need to start, right? Which are the triggering point? Which are the places where we need to call? And then we need to write the code for calling the different APIs and all, right? So actually we didn't started it. What we have done is, okay, let me show you. There is one code system demo. So one person like one user who is doing the OCOD registration have shown a demo, okay, for how it is doing in the website manually. So we have taken that demo. That's only knowledge that we have right now. So we didn't started the actual development yet. Also from the OCOD side, they have provided a couple of API. Okay, I'll show you here. They have provided this API they have provided. Okay, customer DLP service, upload
Like,
document base.
so,
Yeah.
like anyone can consume them, or is like there are
No, no.
some.
Actually, they have given the API, but when we call the API, we have a MuleSoft as like intermediate, right? So MuleSoft will actually call the API. These APIs are given by MuleSoft. Okay, Oku's given their endpoint, and from for Aldar, the MuleSoft will call the API and they will configure test it from their side, and they will give the endpoint to the MuleSoft side. So we actually call MuleSoft, and then MuleSoft will call the Okut. So I don't have
Is
much knowledge.
is Shahid
Yeah.
Tala?
Sorry,
MuleSoft guys as in Shoaib and Tala?
MuleSoft. I think Shoaib is in another project. Earlier he was the person. Now I think one person from Naveen, right? Naveen is there.
Okay.
Naveen, we are actually contacting Naveen for this. So I'll send you the list. Actually, this is not working. Some error it is getting when we try to hit this particular API. So I'm not sure about this process and all. So actually, we didn't started it. Any development, anything we didn't started. So that's all. Like I'll send it to you, the all the endpoint and also one two documents they have provided. But as a like business perspective, I don't know like what is the exact procedure and exact triggering points and all. So it's a very big development. So I think Kohinoor will come up with the architecture wise, like how we need to where we need to put the triggering point, then we're going to call the this one. So then only we can start this process. So I'll just as of now I'll just to provide these like Postman collection that Okuda have provided and MuleSoft have provided, and one two documents from the Okuda they have provided. I will send it to you. Okay, so you can just go through that. That's it regarding Okut. Then there is another one. Okay, for me there is one ticket here in the manage. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this one it is assigned to me. One third party payment in OCK is closure date and time. Okay, so I'll show you in service do.
So you also get service request in here.
No, no, it's actually third party payment case journey that we have deployed last month. Okay, so they have come up with the changing one of the field. I'll show you what is the reason I have got this ticket. Okay, I have sent you the link for third party payment case journey KT, like taken by Shiva. I think he have included all the details in that. So just now I'll go through this ticket. Okay. So so this is our third party payment case. Okay. Okay, this is a custom LWC component. In the top, we can see verify request, complaints check, finance clearance. These three are statuses. Okay, case level, we have one status, right? Standard field. That is these three. And pending, approved, rejected is substatus. Okay, so here initially we have included a closed date or time. Okay, so that was a standard field, and Salesforce will capture the date time at which the status is changed to closed. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, whenever the status is changed to closed, at that time Salesforce will capture the date or time. But right now in this process, the case will be closed. Will not be closed when it reaches finance clearance. Okay, when it reaches finance clearance and substatus reaches approved or it is reaches rejected, then only the case will close. So currently, when we initially deployed, what is happening, whenever the finance clearance is pending, then also Salesforce will capture because it will only take care of this status, right? Finance clearance closed. This is the closed status. So we changed, like you're getting right. Uh, Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. So, this is the closed status finance clearance. So initially, Salesforce will capture the date and time in which the status is changed to finance clearance because it is the closed one. Okay. But in this particular case, Jenny, a case will be closed only when it status reaches finance clearance and it is approved, or when it reaches finance clearance and it is rejected. Okay, initially it will be finance clearance and pending. At that time, the case will not be closed. It will be still pending, right? When it go to approve only, then it will like we need to capture the closed date or time. So what I have done here, I have created a new field, closed date or time. Okay, and I am updating this field when the status and substatus is becoming finance clearance and approved or finance clearance as rejected. I'll show you. There is one flow.
Hmm.
I think this point you have got right. Finance, like in the case level, we have a status field. So we can give status and that status will come here. Okay. In that status, one status should be mandatorily, it should be closed one. Okay. So I have provided finance clearance as closed. So this Salesforce is capturing that particular date and time. But we want finance clearance approved or finance clearance rejected date or time. So here we are doing that from the flow.
Maybe you can go to that field and then check where is that field used. It will show you the flow from there.
From object manager, right? Uh-huh. Yeah, this one before insert. So these are the two flows in this process: third party payment NOC keys after insert and before insert or update. Okay, so let me open this. This flow, all the journey, all the flow is explained in that particular KT. So you can just go through that. I'll go through this part only, this ticket.
Hmm.
Okay, so here, here we are checking status substatus combination. So here finance clearance, okay, status is finance clearance and substatus is approved. Okay, only when the record is triggered to flow, that means it is updated or like to this particular condition, then only it will trigger. And the other one is finance clearance rejected. Okay, in these two cases, we are just assigning this particular close date or time. It is our field, and we are assigning current date or date time. So this is a formula field. I think you already knows this, right? Current date or time. It is a formula field, and I'm just giving a now. So it will give current date or time, and it will be populated in this field. Once the status and substatus is becoming finance clearance approved or finance clearance rejected. So that's how we have made one change here, only this part. Okay, this field we have added in this layout. I'll share you the component. Okay, let me open that. This one. Okay, so we have created a new field. Okay, this one. Okay, we have created a new field. Then in this flow we have added that condition. We have populating that field. We have added in the page layout. No, this is not page layout. This is a lightning page, flexi page, lightning page. Okay, and then we have adding it in the permission set. So we have created a permission set, third party payment case permissions. Okay, so we will assign this permission to all the users who need to create the case and who access the case. So we like I have created a new field, right? So I have added this field permission inside this permission. Like this was existing permission set. I have added the field access in this permission set. So this we need to move, flow we need to move, custom field we need to move. So lightning page also we need to move, but most like preferably like we don't need to move actually. When move it by using Copado, might be something change, and like I think Kohinoor will tell like we don't need to move this flexi page. We can do it manually, just editing the page and adding the close date or time, making it as a read only. Let me show you. This is third party payment case layout. Okay, then here, okay, we can make it as a read only. Just we can add the field here. We can make it as a read only. Here it will come.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay, so this thing I have done it in the service dev. Like we need to just I just tested it. Also, like you can just go through and test it, and then we can move that to production by using Copado. This one also I'll send it to you. Okoth document also I'll send it to you. Yeah. Okoth actually, that's all the knowledge I have regarding the Okoth. We actually didn't started anything yet. I'll also share this recording. One demo he have given. This one. So I'll share the link of this thing who recorded this. And okay, I'll share you the link.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it, Aditya. So this is my last day. So might be from today or tomorrow you will be starting my tickets. I think like don't worry, I think you will get some time to understand, right? It's like all different changes. We need to understand the background, everything. Even like like I was working on this ticket for long, like I have worked that ticket long back. So yeah.
Okay. Thanks you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. All the best, Aditya.